Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2007 Honda Odyssey headlight. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly at the front corners, then remove any plastic clips or screws holding the upper trim. Pull the assembly forward gently to access the bulb socket, twist the socket counterclockwise, and withdraw the old bulb straight out. Inspect the connector and replace the bulb with a matching H11 or specified type, avoiding touching the glass. Begin by removing the two trim bolts and any visible plastic clips securing the assembly, using a ratchet and trim tool. Lean forward and reach behind the headlight to unplug the electrical connector by depressing its release tab, then gently wiggle free to avoid breaking the clip. Once unplugged, grasp the assembly and pull straight forward to free the tabs, setting the unit on a clean towel to prevent scratches while you access the bulb. With the assembly accessible, rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it out carefully, noting the bulb orientation. Remove the old bulb and install the new H11 bulb by aligning tabs and pushing it in until it seats, taking care not to touch the glass with bare hands. Reinsert the socket and rotate clockwise to lock, reconnect the electrical plug, and briefly test the headlight for proper aim and brightness before reinstalling the trim and securing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.